Experiencing SMS problems on Tesco Mobile? The Short Message Service Center SMSC number is crucial for routing your texts. For Tesco Mobile, the correct SMSC number is +4 7820120. An incorrect or missing SMSC can prevent SMS from sending or receiving. Let's check and correct this setting on your phone. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Messages, More, 3 dots, Settings SMS Service Center. Here, manually enter 4478201200 and save. On iPhones, this is less common as iOS usually auto-configures, but if you're facing issues, try resetting your network settings in Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings, or contacting Tesco Mobile Support. Confirm your SIM is activated and that there are no account-specific blocks on SMS services. Resetting the SMSC can resolve common problems stemming from corrupted settings after software updates or SIM swaps. Beyond SMS, Tesco Mobile supports Rich Communication Services (RCS) on Android via Google Messages. RCS offers enhanced features like read receipts, high-resolution media sharing, and group chats over data or Wi-Fi, improving upon traditional SMS. To enable RCS, open Google Messages, tap your profile icon, then go to RCS Chats and turn it on. Note that RCS requires a data connection to function. For iPhone users, iMessage is the primary enhanced messaging service, automatically using internet connectivity when available. However, it falls back to SMS when sending messages to non-Apple devices. If you're having trouble sending SMS from an iPhone, ensure your carrier settings are up to date by going to Settings, General, About, and checking for a carrier settings update. If issues persist, try temporarily disabling iMessage in Settings Messages to force all messages to be sent as SMS. Understand that iMessage doesn't directly support RCS, so compatibility issues can occur when communicating with Android users. By ensuring correct SMSC settings and understanding how RCS and iMessage function on Tesco Mobile, most messaging issues can be resolved.